Nollywood actress Dayo Amusa is filled with gratitude as she marks a special milestone in her son's life, his 3-month birthday. Expressing her deep appreciation to God for the blessing of motherhood, she reflected on how quickly time has flown. In an emotional post, she shared her amazement at how it feels like just yesterday she welcomed her little one into the world, yet he has already grown so much in just 3 months. Filled with pride and joy, she marveled at his development, from his growing weight to his love for activities like walking and car rides. As she basked in the joy of motherhood, fans and well-wishers joined in the celebration, showering heartfelt prayers for her son's continued growth, divine protection, and a long, fulfilling life.